Have you ever been caught off guard by a hiccup? It can be confusing and surprising. Hiccups happen when the diaphragm muscle suddenly contracts. This movement makes the vocal cords snap shut, creating the sound we all recognize as hiccups. Common triggers include eating too fast, fizzy drinks, and even stress. If you're looking to stop a hiccup, try holding your breath or drinking water slowly. Did you know? Hiccups might be a leftover reflex from our early ancestors. For more fun science facts, follow us.